Hi my friends, today I want to talk about properties of multiplication. Number 1. Commutative property. Whenever the order of the factor in multiplication is changed, the product doesn't change. For example, A times B equal to B times A. In number 2 times 3 equal to 6. 3 times 2 equal to 6. Number 2. Associative property. Associative property. When multiplication several numbers, the associative property applies. For example, A parentheses B times C equal to B parentheses A times C equal to C parentheses A times B. In example, 2 parentheses 3 times 4 equal to first 3 multiply 4. 2 3 multiply 4 12. 2 multiply 12 24. 3 parentheses 2 times 4. First 2 multiply 4 8. And finally 3 times 8 24. 4 parentheses 3 times 2. First 8 is multiplied. 3 times 2 6. 4 times 6 24. It is associative property. Number 3. Distributive property. Distributive property. This multiplication distributive over addition. For example, A bracket B negative positive C. Distributive property means it's first multiply by this and second multiply by this. Finally, we do plus or subtraction. A times B, A B. Positive negative A times C, A times C. In example, 5 brackets 7 plus 4. Distributive property. First 5 times 7. 5 times 7 35. And then 5 put positive sign. And then 5 times 4 20. 0 plus 0 plus 5 5 2 plus 3 525. Number 4. Identity element. identity element. One is the multiplicative identity, meaning that any number multiplied by 1 equals itself. For example, 4 times 1 equal to 4. 7 times 1 equal to 7. Number 5. Multiplication by 0. Multiplication by 0. Any number any numbers multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. For example, 6 times 0 is 0. 0 times 6 is 0. 634 times 0 equal to 0. Thank you for watching.